This is how you can change the Yahoo Mail password on the iPad. So let me explain it, and if you're new here, subscribe and you never miss anything important. So we first have to open up the Yahoo Mail on the device as such, and we can get inside our profile and everything's gonna be like in here. You know, you can see I'm signed in and all of that. So in order to change the password, we need to click on the profile picture in the top left corner, like so, and click on the settings right there. This way we get to access some other things about it, right? Like so many different settings specifically about it, but I can go to the manage accounts, right, and click on account right there. So that is the currently used one. So as you can see, you might have multiple of them, but I'm going to click on this one right in here. And we have things like overview, personal settings, security, and a deleting account. So you need to click on security this time. Do you want Yahoo Mail to use Face ID? Not now. We're going to get inside and type in the code, right? And a part of the security, we have some things like two-step verification of phone number and password. So we can click on the password as such, and we can now create a new password. And it's telling me that it's not like supposed to use the variation of the old one, and I'm not supposed to have any like information in it. It's just guiding me through the way to set up the most secure password. But the point is that now I have the ability to create a new one. So that's what you probably wanted to get to and achieve. As you can notice, we had to do it through the Yahoo Mail app. Even if you were using it through the official Mail app from Apple, you actually have to go through the Yahoo Mail or Yahoo Web interface because we cannot really do it through the Apple Mail. So depends, but this is exactly how you're going to do it. So I hope that I was able to guide you through the way you can make that work. Hit the thumbs up if it worked, subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next videos as well.